Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is JOYOR electric scooter. There's actually 3 modes you can toggle through that shows up in the display. No S means slow, white S means normal, and red S meant fast. And it went really fast in that mode. The scooter seems pretty powerful. It's able to drive me up in 15-degree incline with minimal effort. The lights can be toggled by double-clicking the power button. It looks great at nighttime. Equips with a new 350 watts brushless DC motor, boosting the e-scooter to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour. High-capacity battery can achieve max 15.5 miles travel range under specific conditions. Front and rear dual brake system. The braking signal is recognized quickly, and the braking effect is more sensitive and obvious. Disc braking and anti-lock braking dual system maintains safe and responsive braking at a short distance. Safer and more worry-free riding. Airless tires mean durability and no more flat tires, no more wasted time to repair or replace tire problems. The electric scooter has an app function to check the scooter before every use, lock your scooter and view other riding statistics, available on iOS and Android. You can track of riding information, cruise control, smart locking and malfunction indicator through the app. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best electric scooter for adults list is Macwheel MX Pro electric scooter. This scooter is great for getting around easier than via foot, and the fact that I don't need to pester my friends for rides to places within a reasonable distance. It was ready to ride out of the box, which was a nice bonus. The app is a little finicky when pairing with the scooter after you turn the scooter off and then back in, but other than that, everything works great. With a range of up to 25 miles, and a 10 uphill climbing angle, the electric scooter MX Pro allows you to ride from San Francisco Bay to Marin City on a single charge. MX Pro electric scooter has its own mobile app to manage rides at your fingertips at any time and anywhere to customize your experience. Features a disc braking and EOBS anti-lock braking system for an efficient braking effect that ensures a safe ride. Easy to read LED display and re-riding gears gives you easy control of your wheels. Pro also features an smartphone app connectivity. You can apply functions the scooter with full control. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Razer EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. Very easy to operate. Parts are readily available from local bike shops retailers. They are literally standard bike parts. Easily upgradable. Powerful enough for most use. It's quick and fast enough to get around city streets. 18 miles per hour top speed. 21 miles per hour on a good day. Its comfortable padded seat and wide bamboo deck for plenty of footroom make this versatile scooter the perfect ride for neighborhood or cross-campus trips. Its 16-inch pneumatic tires provide a smooth, comfortable ride for quick trips to the store, farmer's market, rec center, or wherever you need the ease and versatility of sitting down or carrying things with you. Featuring a detachable basket and luggage rack, this all-electric scooter with a 36-volt lead-acid battery system and plug-in charger requires no gasoline, making it an economical and eco-friendly alternative to make local trips. The soft padded seat and wide bamboo deck for plenty of footroom make the ride on EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter both comfortable and stylish. EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter has standard bicycle-size 16-inch pneumatic tube tires, which provide a smoother ride on rougher terrain. EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter is built with a tubular steel frame for a solid ride. Rear-wheel drive shifts weight to the rear, enhancing both traction and ease of steering. With its 36-volt rechargeable battery system, EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter requires no gasoline, making it an alternative for local transportation. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best electric scooter for adults list is FIDICO electric scooter. It was quick and easy to assemble. It has an LCD screen that shows speed and remaining battery life, so I know when it needs a recharge. The high-capacity rechargeable battery can give you up to a whopping 23 miles on one charge. The scooter is built with a stable and durable frame, as well as 10 durable, foam-filled tires that don't need to be aired up. It has a weight limit up to 220 pounds and the handlebar height is adjustable. Its acceleration and turning are very smooth. Drive safely at night with super bright lights. One-button turn-on-off light system, including headlights and bright taillights. Before that, you can tear off the film on the screen to improve readability. This LCD display shows the speed and remaining battery life, so you can always know. The rear wheels are equipped with disc brakes and the front wheels are equipped with electronic brake systems to ensure braking safety. Reinforced mudguards and metal supports allow more vibration. The 350 watts electric brushless hub motor can achieve a maximum speed of 18.6 miles per hour. The long-range battery has a maximum travel distance of up to 23 miles under certain conditions and a maximum load of 220 pounds. The safety, durability and economy of solid tires will be much better than that of pneumatic tires, and there is no hidden danger of air leaks and punctures, thereby reducing maintenance costs. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Swagtron electric scooter. It rides and handles pretty smooth. It comes assembled in nice LCD display which has 3 different speed modes depending on how fast you want the scooter to operate. This is a very fun electric scooter. This scooter is great. 15 miles per hour sounds slow, but it's way faster than expected. The Swagger 8 can take a beating. Its frame, built from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, easily supports riders up to 150 pounds. And it does so without adding a lot of extra bulk. Weighing just 17.5 pounds, the Swagger 8 is extra portable. Quickly fold the electronic scooter when you need to dash, hop on the bus, or store it in compact spaces. This electric kick scooter is powered by an efficient battery that works in perfect harmony with the ultra-quiet motor. The battery fully charges in just 3 hours and powers the Swagger 8 up to 10 miles on a single charge, reach top speeds of 15 miles per hour, and conquer steep, 10-degree inclines with ease. Maintain a consistent speed for 6 seconds and the Swagger 8 automatically engages cruise control when the feature is manually activated. With its adjustable stem, the Swagger 8 has extra longevity that other electric scooters in its class simply can't match. Raise the handlebar to let the scooter grow as the rider grows, or simply adjust the height to maximize comfort. After all, a comfortable ride is a perfect ride. And with the Swagger 8, riding is believing.